Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create shaders on Roblox. So I'm just going to use the 1:1 frame ratio, and I'm just gonna put it like this first. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the effects section and I'm going to type in black and white sketch. Actually, I need to copy and paste this first, sorry. Select it and add it to your timeline. Then you're going to also add in a blur. Okay. Maybe like blur it up to, 50% actually. And then select your video, go to blend mode, and select color burn. You can adjust the opacity here if it's a little bit too much. Then what you're going to want to do next is you're going to copy and paste this video. I'm just going to put it off to the side. And then I'm going to basically place this on like the top here a little bit. Select this video and we're going to rotate it 3 times. Actually, I need to put it on top here. And I'm going to mirror that. Go to mask, go to the horizontal one. Oh, no. Hold on. I can't see it though if I mask it. There we go. And you're going to rotate it. Actually, you are going to rotate it this way. Let's bring it back down here. Go back to mask and feather it out a little bit like so. And that is it. If it's too like up here, just bring it down a little bit. And bring the mask up just a tad bit. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.